I am Konatala Panibhushan Sridhar. I am working as second degree teacher at MPP School, Molpeta, Anakapalli Mandal, Visakhapatnam district, and I am from Andhra Pradesh state. Today I introduced in zero investment program, Healthy Children, Happy Nation, that concept. What I have done is in our school, we are growing organically vegetables that will again added to midday meal program. So once we are converting the wastage except plastic and glass, the remaining residues are recycled into organic manure through vermicompost unit. With very low cost, with the 200 rupees of worms, we purchased that one, and we are changing that wastage into vermi manure. Again, that manure will add it to our school garden. Actually, it was inspired by the local farmers, and they started voluntarily 2 units, and they are maintaining the vermicompost unit that is called as the solid waste management. Actually, we are involving this project from 2000 onwards in various schools wherever I have worked. So this concept is a Healthy Children, Happy Nation, and we are providing the nutritious food to and snacks to our school children. So whenever the provision of, we are also providing the provision of milk and nutritious food and organically grown vegetables. So it leads to 100% enrollment, and this refers to integrated education system. And I am highly thankful to the JEDITT, those who are conducting the very good opportunity. It is a good platform to expose ourselves, the new ideas which we are implementing in our schools. And మీరు చెయ్యి పెడితే నేను హ్యాపీ అన్నారేమో అనుకో.